How to make text highlight effect in CapCut. Let's get started. In CapCut, I already have prepared the photo that I would like to highlight some text on. Now, on the upper left-hand side, click on the Text tab and add a text by clicking and dragging a default text like this. This will serve as your highlighter later on. On the right-hand side, under the Basic tab, select the color of your choice for the highlight. Now, edit the text by adding a bunch of dashes like this. On the Character tab, lower the character spacing to -3. Under the Color tab again, copy the hex value of the color. Now, scroll down until you see Background and toggle it. Reduce the opacity at around 50% so that we can see the text and move the dashes to where you want to start highlighting your text. On the right-hand side again, scroll back up and add more dashes as needed to cover the entire text that you wanted to highlight. Adjust the highlight accordingly on your text. Scroll down again. And change the background color by pasting the hex value here. And set the background color opacity to 100%. Now, on the Animation tab, under In, find the Wipe in LR or Wipe Right animation and set the duration at around 2.5. Now, right-click this text and create a compound clip. On the right-hand side, under Video, Basic, check on Blend and the mode to multiply. And there you go. Let us see the final results. And there you have it. That is how to make a text highlight effect in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.